Guys, this is Paul back Phototech with another new video and welcome back to our channel. So guys, now we are back on track and I am uploading constant videos every week. So I uploaded my channel trailer last week and I hope that you all enjoyed it. It took about a day to edit and yes, I hope that you all enjoyed it. So guys, today in this video we are gonna check out what's in this box. I know what's in this box, but let me tell you, this is a very important accessory for your laptop. Yeah guys, I know that there are many tech geeks out there who are using laptops and facing heating problems with their laptop. So guys, this is a cooler, a laptop cooler, which we are gonna unbox today, and I'm also gonna give a review on it. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Peace. So guys, I forgot to mention that a really cool video is coming out next week, so please stay tuned for that. And now let's get this video to 20 likes. I know that you can do it. So now let's continue the video. Guys, this is the box of the laptop cooler, as you can see, and this cooler is by Zinc Technologies. As you can see, we have Zinc Technologies branding over here, and we also have a vector art of the cooler itself, and here we have a little barcode sticker, and on the back side we have some more details about the cooler, and you can see important, manufactured by, month of import, brand, model name, color, etc. So guys, as you can see, there are no seals here, so I can easily open it by hand. And yeah, so guys, this is what's inside the box. First of all, we have a feedback card. I think yes, it is a feedback card. As you can see, we have the feedback card, and they say that if you are happy, then go to amazon.in and just write a product review, and if you are unhappy, please tell us what's wrong with this product and they will help you out as soon as possible. So keeping that all aside, now see, we also have a USB to USB cable. USB to USB cable. Yeah, so it is a pretty standard one, no braided cables, etc. So now let's take out the cooler, and there is nothing in the box. So let's keep the box aside, and this is packaging. So guys, this is the laptop cooler I was talking about. As you can see, this is a high quality one, and the whole body is made up of plastic, but the grill is made of metal. As you can see, we have two fans over here, and there is also a kickstand here to grip your laptop. On the back we have the barcode sticker and the outlets of the fan. We have rubber paddings, and also we have two USB ports. Yes guys, we have two USB ports. So at this side we also get a stand to adjust the height of the cooler. So it has 5 heights. The one is the normal one. It is the normal one, and height 1, height 2, height 3, and at last we have height 4. So 4 these heights and the one flat one, and a total of 5 heights. So we also have the Zinc Technologies branding on this side. So guys, now I will plug it on my laptop and show you the fans. So guys, as you can see, I have my laptop over here, as you can see. So this is the same laptop which I have done a review of. So click on this icon to get to that video. And now I will grab up my cooler and the USB cable that came with it. So this is the USB cable that came with it, and now I will connect one end of the USB cable to the cooler. So now I will connect it, and after this I will place the cooler here and my laptop here. So now I will connect the other end of the cable to my laptop. So I have connected it, and as soon as you connect it, it turns on. So as you can see, we have the fans spinning and also have the blue light. It is a blue colored light and it cannot be changed. So I think that you will get it as purple, but it is blue. So now you will hear the noise of the fan, and I think you will get it very high because the mic will be placed next to the fan itself, but the cooler is very silent. So I will now place the mic and you can listen to the noise. So this was the noise of the mic. Now I will show you how to place it under your laptop and also use it as a stand. So we have connected our laptop to it, and now I will just adjust it to a level that I want. So I want the highest level for now. So this is the highest level. So I will just get my laptop and place it over here, and also I will kick out the stand, and now as you can see, it is properly adjusted. Let me adjust it more, and as you can see now that my laptop is now above the surface, and it will also decrease the temperature of your laptop, and also the fans will help you decrease the temperature. Another benefit of this laptop cooler is that you also get an ergonomic position to work on your laptop, and it will help you remove your back pain and neck pain if you have while working on your laptop and your laptop is at a very low angle. So as you can see, it is working very well. Now the temperature of my laptop has decreased. So while editing these YouTube videos, I also keep my laptop on charging to enhance it on its full potential. So it is very helpful for me because my laptop's temperature increased very much and it heats up. So this will be a great benefit for me. And also talking about the price, I have ordered this laptop cooler for around 900 rupees, specifically 899 on Amazon, and if you want it, the links are in the description, so check it and buy it. And also that the links will be the Best Buy links of this cooler, and there are many other coolers available on Amazon and you can check it out if you want, but I got the best price and the best value of this cooler, so I got this one. And yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope that you will like it. And comment me if you want any other video or you have any other query related to tech. I will try to solve it. And also don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe the channel to get latest videos every week. So now guys, I will see you in the next video. So bye.